Danuski Perera. Currently, I'm studying postgraduate certificate marketing management digital media course at College, Toronto. I would like to share how I spend my academic break and how you also can get the fullest advantage and what you can do during your break time. First, I'm working on my field to get more Canadian experience. So as you all know, right now you can work as a part-timer as well as a full-timer. So in this way, if you allocate your academic break to work in your field, it will get added advantage when you enter to the co-op or even after your co-op. It will be easy to find a job, and plus you are getting a Canadian experience. So why you are getting late? And number two, I'm involved with lots of volunteer activities at the campus. So as we all know, when you do volunteer activities, it's really good as international students. You meet lots of new friends and you can know your staff members. And not only that, the building network in a new environment like in Canada is really important for you to not only to find jobs, but to find new friends and get more experience. Number three, doing workout at home. I love to stay fit, and during the academic break, I'm working as a part-timer and I'm working from home, so I rarely go out. So I feel like mental and physical health is really important during my academic break. So whenever I get time, I make sure to allocate at least 1 hour to do my workouts and meditation. And the other thing, I am not enrolled with any gym outside. So if I feel like, okay, I have more time to travel, then I travel to College, Toronto, do workouts at the gym there, and then come back home. Number four is LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is a platform which is provided by your campus. So don't forget to allocate your time to do lots of certificates which is provided from the platform, because when you find a job, it's really important not what you are learning in the campus, but additional certificates may be added advantage when you find a job. So at least try to do 2 or 3 certificates whenever you have time during this academic break to enhance your resume and your lifestyle. And finally, meeting with your friends and go out and mingle. So during the academic break, you have lots of work. I know part-time job and full-time job is important, but you should stay in touch with your college friends. So I'm going out with my college friends, maybe Friday nights, weekends, just to explore the city and to try out new restaurants and foods, because we are foodies. And so it's good for my mentality as well, and I can stay in touch with my friends and have fun in my Canada life. And that's how I spend my academic break. So how are you going to spend your academic break?